Good afternoon, visitors. Right now we have the American Century departing through the Duluth Ship Canal. The American Century was built as the Columbia Star in 1981 by the Bay Shipbuilding Company of Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin. She measures 1,000 feet in length, 105 feet in width, and 56 feet in depth. She is powered by four 3,500 horsepower, 20-cylinder General Motors diesel engines, which give her a top speed of 14 knots or about 16 miles per hour. She is also equipped with 1,500 horsepower bow and stern thrusters to aid her maneuverability in port. The American Century has 37 hatches on her deck, which open into 7 cargo holds located below deck. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 78,900 tons. Above her deck is a 250-foot self-unloading boom, which allows her to load her own cargo at a rate of 10,000 tons per hour without the aid of short-side equipment. The American Century is owned and operated by the American Steamship Company in Williamsville, New York. The American Century was bought along with 5 other Oglebay Norton ships in 2006 by the American Steamship Company for $120 million. Originally named in honor of the brig Columbia, the first vessel to move iron ore through the Sioux Locks in 1855. She made her maiden voyage from Sturgeon Bay, Wisconsin to Silver Bay, Minnesota in May of 1981 to load iron ore pellets. Today she is on her way out today with a load of low sulfur coal. This is her 9th trip this season to the Twin Ports for that same cargo. They will be taking that coal to a DTE power plant in St. Clair, Michigan. So once again, we have the American Century departing through the Duluth Ship Canal. She was built in 1981. Measures 1,000 feet in length, 105 feet in width, and 56 feet in depth. She has a maximum carrying capacity of 78,900 tons. Owned and operated by the American Steamship Company in Williamsville, New York. And they are currently on their way out today for the 9th time this season with coal for St. Clair, Michigan. What y'all just heard there is always the captain's salute, which is a traditional greeting between the ships and the bridge. Ship initiates the greeting with one long blast followed by 2 short blasts, and the bridge responds with the same thing. If you see any crew members on deck, make sure to give them a good wave and wish them a safe trip. And besides the American Century departing now, we will be having another vessel come through, the Federal Visor, a ocean-going ship that just left their anchorage. They'll be arriving through the canal here in about 30 to 45 minutes. So I encourage you all to stick around for another vessel coming through. Once again, the Federal Visor has left their anchorage. They should be coming around and entering through the canal in about 30 to 45 minutes.